Did you know in court it's not just guilty or not guilty? Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about pleas. When a person is charged with a crime, they don't always have to go to trial, but they do have to respond to the charges against them. The main ways to respond are guilty, not guilty, or no contest. There are other ways to respond, but we'll cover that in another video. First, a guilty plea means the person is admitting they committed the crime. By pleading guilty, they're accepting responsibility, and the case usually moves straight to sentencing. That's what Justin Timberlake just did for his DUI case in New York. Second, a not guilty plea means the person denies committing the crime. This plea usually leads to a trial, where the prosecution has to prove their case beyond a reasonable doubt. Think of any famous trial. I'm sure you thought of the O.J. Simpson trial. Simpson pled not guilty and ended up being acquitted after a jury trial. Third, a no contest plea, sometimes called nolo contendre. It is a bit different. Here, the person isn't admitting guilt, but they're also not contesting the charges. In a way, it's like saying, I'm not saying I did it, but I'm also not fighting the charges. This plea can be useful because it usually can't be used against them in a civil lawsuit. But it's important to know that even though you do not say you are guilty, this nolo plea acts like a guilty plea. That's what Tiger Woods did in 2017 after he was arrested for driving under the influence when he was found asleep in his car on the side of the road. He pled no contest to reckless driving, which allowed him to avoid admitting guilt while accepting the penalties, including probation, fines, and community service. We'll go deeper on pleas in a future class. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.